Picture this, you're editing a photo, wanting to swap a tree in the background with a different one or reposition a car in a street scene. But here's the challenge. Traditional AI tools struggle to make these changes without distorting details or making the new object look out of place. Enter a groundbreaking advancement in AI image editing that's rewriting the rules of what's possible. Let's unpack the core issue. Current methods rely on high-level semantic cues, telling the AI, this is a tree or this is a car. But these cues lack the granularity to capture critical details, the texture of bark, the reflection on a car's surface, or the way light interacts with an object's geometry. As a result, edits often look blurry, distorted, or just wrong. So how do researchers tackle this? They're leveraging pretrained diffusion models, AI systems trained on vast image datasets to understand visual patterns. But even these models need a boost when it comes to geometric editability, the ability to precisely adjust an object's shape, position, or size while preserving its realistic appearance. The solution? A technique called DGAD. Here's how it works. First, the AI uses a powerful image encoder to decode the object's semantics, identifying it as a tree, a car, or a person. Then it integrates the surrounding scene's context and a mask outlining the object's region. By merging these elements, the model taps into its existing knowledge of geometry to make smarter, more precise edits. But here's the innovation. DGAD employs a cross-attention mechanism to link an object's geometry with its visual details. Think of it like a painter using a reference photo to match the texture of a tree's leaves while repositioning it in a scene. To preserve fine details, like the way light reflects off a car's hood, DGAD introduces a dense cross-attention step, ensuring every nuance stays intact even as the object's shape changes. The results? DGAD outperforms existing methods across multiple metrics. It handles complex edits with surgical precision, maintains semantic consistency, so the AI doesn't accidentally turn a car into a tree, and aligns seamlessly with backgrounds. Qualitative tests show DGAD's edits look natural, while other methods often produce jarring mismatches. What does this mean for the future? This research pushes AI's boundaries, enabling tools that understand not just what to edit, but how to make it look authentic. For designers, photographers, or hobbyists, this brings us closer to intuitive, realistic image manipulation, where the AI acts as a collaborator, not a crutch. The next time you see a photo that looks too perfect, remember, models like DGAD are working behind the scenes to turn the impossible into reality. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and let's keep exploring the future of AI together.